So today I'll be showing you how to make these beautiful little butterflies. They're super beginner friendly and I'll take you through every step slowly so that you guys can catch up. Okay, so firstly you're going to choose the colour you want to use in the centre. For me, I'm going to be using this colour right here. And now you need to make a slip knot. To make a slip knot, you just get your 2 fingers here, wrap it under, grab this one, grab the one here and just pull it through like that. You can adjust like the length of this, but as a beginner I'd recommend leaving like a long strand and just pull it tight. Now you will notice that one end, if you pull it, it makes the loop smaller and smaller. You want to pull that loop until it's like very small, but not too small. Now grab your hook, put it through this loop and just pull it tight. But you don't want it to be so tight that it can't move, just tight enough so it can move around. Next, you're going to want to do 6 chains. Here's how you do chains. So you first take your hook, you go under the yarn, go over it, then pull through. So that's 1 chain. And this is called yarning over. So it's yarn over once and then pull through. That's 2 chains. Yarn over, pull through. 3 chains. Yarn over, pull through. 4 chains. Yarn over, pull through. And then yarn over, pull through. So that's just 6 chains. You can see how many chains there are. You can like count like the V shapes. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Next, you want to do a slip stitch into the first chain. So how you do this, just readjust. Okay, so to do a slip stitch, you need to find the first chain first, which is this one right here, this V. Put your hook into this stitch and yarn over. So you have 2 loops on your hook. Now pull the first one through the second one, just like that. Now you should have like this circle. Next you want to chain 3. Now remember what we did just now. You yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through. Now you want to do 1 double crochet. To do double crochet, you want to yarn over, go into the circle that we made, come out, yarn over again before going out of the circle, so you have 3 loops on your hook. Now you just want to yarn over again, pull through 2, then yarn over again and pull through another 2. That's your double crochet. Next we want to make 2 chains. So yarn over, pull through, yarn over and pull through, like that. Then we want to do 2 double crochets. So yarn over into the circle, yarn over, pull through the circle, and then yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2. Now do 1 more, yarn over, into the circle, yarn over, come out circle, yarn over, pull through 2, and yarn over, pull through 2. That's your 2 double crochets. Now you can like just push them along a little bit to make it a bit tighter because we're going to do a little bit more. Next we're going to chain 2. So yarn over, pull through, and yarn over and pull through. We're going to repeat what we did, like the double crochet, chain 2, 6 more times. So first time double crochet into the loop, into the circle, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2, and then we're going to do 1 more time, yarn over, pull into a circle, yarn over, pull through 2 loops, yarn over, pull through 2 loops, and that's your 2 double crochets. Now we want to do 2 chains, which is 1 chain, 2 chain. So that's our first repeat, and I'll come back when I finish the rest of them. So I just finished crocheting 6 more times, so mine looks like this. And in case you're wondering, for the end of this, the loop that I made earlier, I've been crocheting with it under all these loops, and if you want to know how to do it, I'll soon make a video on how to do all these like basics for beginners, like holding how to hold like your yarn, how to hold a hook, how to do all of these basic stitches. So after, yours should look like this, and it's easiest to check if yours is the same as mine by counting like these holes, like these chain 2 spaces. So we can count them: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. We should have 7 of these chain 2 spaces, and we're going to make 8 by this final chain 2 space. So put your yarn into the loop, tighten it up, and take your chain 3 that we made in the beginning. You need to put your hook into the 3rd chain, which is this one right here. I'm going to go through this top one, just like that. Oh, that took long. Okay. Now that you're through, you want to yarn over, pull through, and remember how we did before? We're going to do a slip stitch, so you're going to go through. There you go. That's the first part. So next, you just cut your yarn like that. I'd leave around, around that much. So I'd say that's about 5 centimeters. And then take your hook and just pull it out. This is what you should be left with. And if, like me, you did, if you stitch with like loose end, you can just cut that off for now. If you didn't, you can stitch in now. Just leave the ends to the side. There you go. Okay, so now you won't be needing your first colour anymore. I'm just going to tidy that away. And I'm going to take my second colour, which is this white. So take your white, let me put this away for real quick. Take your white and do a slip knot. So like before, put your hand like this in the pincer shape, put it under the yarn, loop it like this, take your hands and grab that yarn connected to the rest of the yarn and pull it out. You can leave as much as you want, and again, if you're a beginner, I'd leave a longer string, something like this. Okay, now take your hook, put it snug but not too tight on your hook. Well, I've made it a bit tight, just rig it around a bit. There you go. Now take it off your hook, leave that right there. Now let's take this again, and you can put your hook in between any 2 double crochets. I'm going to put it here just because it's simpler, because I can stitch this into the rest of my crochet project. So put your crochet hook in between any 2 double crochets, make sure you're not going through any threads, etc. And take your slip knot, put it onto your hook like that, and just pull it through. Now do 1 chain, which is yarn over and pull through, and just make it a bit tighter like that. Next, we're going to do 3 double crochets into this chain 2 space. And if you want to be like me, you can like crochet with this. I'll show you how in a different video. Next, you want to yarn over into chain 2 space, yarn over again, take it out, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2. Do this 2 more times. Times, and then 3 times, and that's your 3 double crochets and chain. Next, you want to do 2 chains. To do that, you want to remember yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through. Next, you want to do 3 more double crochets. So yarn over into the space, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2, just like that. you have it, that is one wing. Now we can shape them towards the end, but it should look something like this. Next, you want to do a slip stitch in between these double crochets. So go through, yarn over, pull through, and then pull the first loop, just through the second loop. Just like that. You can put a tie if you like. And then there you go. So what you want to do this in every single chain 2 space that you have left on here. Okay, so I just finished doing it on every single one. And you should have 8 of these, so I'm just going to count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Should look something like this, like a kind of folded flower. So next you want to just do another slip stitch right in here. So you put it in between these double crochets, yarn over, pull through, and yarn over, pull through, and pull it tight. Now you want to chain 7. So chain 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. Now, it's just like the fun part. You want to fold it like this. You can see kind of what's happening now. And then you want to just go like this to make sure there's like you kind of want to like bind it. You might have to do it tighter or looser depending on how long and how thick your butterfly is. Once you get to the end, put tight again. And then you want to find anywhere you can just slip your hook in. Hopefully you can do it on one of the chains. I'm doing it on this chain right here. I don't think you guys can see, but just do it in any chain. Like that. And then the yarn over, pull through, and just do a slip stitch. Okay, yes, finally. And that's basically it. Just want to make sure that all of my ends are cut. I know there's one in here that I haven't cut, so I'm going to cut this one. And I'm also going to cut this one right here. Let me just make it a bit bigger. Cut as long as you like. I'm not going to do it very long, so I'm going to thread it in. So pull, put it tight. It's a butterfly. Shape it however you want after we've sewn in this end. Okay, so let me show you how to sew in your ends. Grab a needle. I'm going to use this one right here. It's wide enough to make sure I can hold it, and short enough like for this project since it's quite small. Next, just thread your needle as you would normally. Like this. And then you want to just go right in here. So you want to go quite deep down so that you can't see the stitches. And go right there. And go through all of these stitches. And come out on the other side. Just like that. And pull through. That's all you should really need, but I'm going to do another one just in case. And of course you can sew it in however you want to. This is how I'm going to do it. Then just need to cut it. And then you have your butterfly. Now it's time for the shaping, which is my favourite bit because it's really fun. So So you just grab, make the tip of the wing, and you pinch it, you drag it up. Now you have like a nice pointy wing. I just do that for every one of them. So you're happy with how your wings look. Of course, if you don't want to do like these pointed wings, you can just skip the shaping step, or you can skip the chain 2 step altogether. So yeah, there you have it. This is your little butterfly.